The LED lights in your refrigerator should automatically light up when you open the doors, so if you notice that one is out, it's time to replace it. Be sure to use genuine Samsung parts and confirm that the part is compatible with your refrigerator model and type. All you need to replace the LED light is an old credit card or a pry tool. You are now ready to replace the LED light. First, pry open the light cover. It may be a little tricky, so just take your time and gently work the card under the cover to remove. Next, disconnect the wire harness from the LED assembly. Then, remove the LED strip from the housing by releasing the two tabs holding it in place. You'll find the part number printed right on the LED strip, making it easy to confirm you've ordered the right part. To install the new LED light, first place the new LED strip back into the housing, making sure it's securely held in place by the tabs. Next, connect the LED assembly to the wire harness. And then attach the cover back into place. Oh, now that's much better.